Yes, student, in this question, we are observing the effect of change in the concentration on equilibrium reaction. That is, the change in one more factor. Earlier, we have observed the change in the pressure. Now, in this question, we are going to observe the change in the concentration. Okay. So, the question is describe the effect of addition of methanol, addition of hydrogen, removal of methanol and removal of carbon monoxide. So, as in the previous videos and the notes, how the concentration change affect the equilibrium reaction is already given. I am revising again. When the concentration is getting changed in the way number A, if the concentration of reactant is increases, then the reaction is shift to the forward direction so that the Kc remains constant. Are you getting? Second one, if the concentration of product species are increases, then the reaction is getting shift to backward direction so that more and more product can convert into reactant and thus again the Kc value remains constant. Getting? So keeping this idea in mind, now we can solve the question. The equilibrium reaction is given as when 2H2 reacts with carbon monoxide gas, it forms methanol. Getting? That means what? In reactant side, there are two type of species, carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas, but in product side there is only one species. So solving the question number A, okay, addition of methanol. No, now here is the methanol. The methanol is in product side. So what it says? It says that if the concentration of methanol is getting changed, that is addition means added, that is increases. So if the concentration of methanol is increases, then the Kc will disturb, but Kc must be remains constant. Therefore, the methanol will react to give what? Reactant. That is, the reaction will shift to backward direction. Backward direction. Can you write its explanation, which I explained you? Okay, what? The methanol will consume to give H2 and CO so that the Kc will remains constant. Okay, number 2, addition of H2. Now here is the hydrogen in the particular reaction. It is present in the reactant side. So if the concentration of any of the reactant, even if there are many reactants, so if any of the reactant is getting increases, then to make the Kc constant, the reaction will shift to the forward direction so that the increased amount of concentration of H2 can be converted into product and then the Kc value remains constant. That means now in this reaction, the reaction will shift to what? Backward, reaction will shift to forward direction. Already it was written what? Forward direction, isn't it? That is in the product side. Question number C. Okay, removal of methanol. Now, this is very important. Removal of methanol. That is in indirect way. What it says? It says that the concentration of reactant is increases. Earlier, their extent, the concentration extent were what? Constant. But if any of the species is getting completely removed, then there will be no species, no product. That means what? That means in the equilibrium reaction, there must be reactant as well as product. Means if we remove the methanol, automatically it says that the concentration of reactant is increased, or we can say the concentration of product is decreased. That is, now the Kc will disturb. So to make the Kc constant, reactant will again react to give the product. That is, in this reaction, we can say the reaction will shift to forward direction. Are you getting? And number D, what? Removal of carbon monoxide. Now student, can you give the answer of this question? Okay, so to give the answer of this question, you have to find where is carbon monoxide. So the carbon monoxide is in reactant side. If its concentration is removed, that is the component is completely removed, then what? Then the Kc will again disturb, but concentration do not changes the value of Kc. That means what? The product concentration increased because it is removed. So the product will now react to give the reactant. That means now here the reaction will shift to backward direction. Okay, student, you have also write the explanation along with each of the answer.